energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, this is 7 seas. I deal with life different, make that lemon squeeze. Went off for my style and identity. Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. I got his band like I'm Barry Bonds. Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, that I put them on. I put myself on stage as they sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going.
Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, don't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun, a 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold. Bang roll, on the go. Ice wall, ice wall, ice wall.
Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
I miss my baby, so I hit them on the FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process and I only know it takes time. You can get it, got no worries, I'm gon' make mine. Going global, I'ma get it out the state lines. Paying taxes at a more than what you make now. Different bracket, eating off a different plate now.
Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
Yeah. I'm gonna buy that one and that one. All of it. I need it all. Do you want it though? Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought. Yeah, it's not a purse, it's a merge. 6 figures was a goal, now it's 9 or a hearse. Put it work. Used to pull up, now I swerve. No time for the snakes, time to put them in the dirt, that's word. I gotta get it, it's in my DNA. You only see the highlights, don't know what it takes. Last year stressing, got no sleep. Now I'm right between the courts, out of nosebleeds. I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. same circle, still the same gang. We just get to it, we don't gangbang. Lost some friends, to the same thing. Keep a low pro when we maintain. Find us in the lost somewhere, kicking back. Find you on computers, type it Twitter facts. You lose a follow, throw a Twitter rant. I lose $1, bet I get it back. Like a boomerang. My girl likes diamonds, big one shining on a ring. I got 3 daughters, you could bet that they gon' get the same. But they got morals, I'll be damned if they sell it for change. They won't sell out a thing. I lose it all, you bet I get it back by any means. I trust in God, won't be $1 that can make me change. I got that power, I could get anything. I got that power, I could get anything. Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought. Got the ice in my palm. My girl, she know she the one. I put the ice on her hand. I put some ice on her arm. See me shining in the light. Know you found me in the dark. Talking how you wanna leave. Girl, you made this far. Taking trips overseas. No, I won't be long. We came up from the weeds. Now it's top floor. All these big gas on her wrist. VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. That's me. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. There for my first cake, then we hit 100K. $500,000 on the way, then $1 million on the way. Eating good, full plates, eating good, say grace. Eat her up, get thanks. She got cake birthday. I can't waste no way, I can't waste no play. My girl, whoa, something like the baddest chick. My girl, whoa, came up from the rags to rich. Hit the road running, I had to tell her I had to get it. She understood, but she spoiled, so when she get mad, she dip. All these big gas on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. That's me. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. All these big gas on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. All these big gas on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. Spend it on a challenge.
Alright, what's going on YouTube? Wow, did you survive on Forex and futures?
Yeah, I did. I closed half at -10 and then the other half at +30 because I didn't look at it anymore.
Oh, yeah, I got stopped out on futures, but got 30 on Forex.
Man, it tagged the future stop loss to the tick.
Yeah.
The only reason it didn't take my future stop loss out was because I entered at 0.5, so my stop loss was at 0.5.
Oh.
So I'm like, Jesus Christ.
Yeah. Alright, so of course we're still bullish overall on the daily, and we've got daily support here, and we've got another support here, and Yeah, support here. That should be enough. 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, we've got a support here. Another support down here. The demand level here. For our support here, if we can make any changes in the 1 hour. So the 1 hour here. So this is this 1 hour support here. The demand here. Another demand here.
I got on my back in my body weight. I stay in the crib like a quarantine. I stay in the crib and I isolate. Making my way, I should demonstrate. I am no special, my tidal wave. I came to win, I ain't gonna play. At my own pace and I'm never late. See the strap thing is still new to me. Might only do this for like 2 or 3. I'll be down as long as it's true to me. Got records on records that's new to you, but none of these records is new to me. I used to skip class, I'm tutoring.
And I got another support here. Resistance here. You have a supply there somewhere. Resistance here. Got a supply right here. Okay, 30 minutes. Excuse me. Alright. 15. I'll switch this to 15-minute demand. We'll switch this to supply. We'll switch this also to supply. All right, so I am looking for sales because even though we are bullish overall, so we are talking about short-term sales. So since we created this high, we came down, created a low, rejecting the 30-minute demand yesterday during our session. We went back up. This low failed to break above this high. This minor high created a low, we created a high. Now we've created a lower low. We've just not breaking above the low, pretty much the major low that this high created. But we do have a lower high, lower low, bearish momentum right now. So we've created a low right now. Now we've created a high. So right now I am still anticipating that we are going to continue to the downside. Now, if we, so we're doing this. Now, from this low, if this minor high does not hold, this 15-minute supply can still hold and the major high can still hold, and we can take sales from anywhere. So we can take sales from any of these supply you guys are looking at right now. So I am looking for sales. Damn, good is volatile. It wasn't volatile during the Asian session.
Switch that V6 for the EV. Ride around my city. You should come right with me, yeah. Feel me if you hear me sip. Water like a fish sip. Box water to the gillies, yeah. This a new wave, this a takeover. Do it for the future, time to get a world a makeover. Time never stops, no the timing is not. Time to clean up the block. Streets been a mess. How can I breathe? Smoke in the air, pure gasoline. I see the news, see what you read. Change gotta come, put that on me and watch me educate. Yeah, we been could've started, but it's never late. Do it for my kids, yeah, let's set it straight. Do it for your kids, gotta set it straight. It's time to regulate. We need change now. We need solar, we need EV in the game now. Make it changes so the earth we know can stay around. Make it change cause we had no time for playing around. Let's quit the playing around. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green. New car goes zoom, but it's quiet. You can hear
Good morning, guys.
if I said I'm perfect, I'd be lying. I can say I'm perfect, but I'm trying. I'ma give my all till I'm dying. I'm the new Captain Planet. Make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. I'm the new Captain Planet. Here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green.
Right now I have entry at 2685.6 on futures. So once you guys hit other field, it's time to execute.
Next to you, only wake up if I'm next to you. You extra too, I socialize with some extra too. X and O's, trying to stay on my P's and Q's. Need my boo, when I get lost, you gon' see me through. Pedestal, I put you on the pedestal. Edible, I need you like my vegetables. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. Next to you, only wake up if I'm next to you. Sexy too, make me wanna get sexual. My bestie too, that my bestie boo. Test me too, but I love when you test me too. Tough on the back, most not good to go. Oh for sure, you my number one, then my number one. You the go, love it when I'm here, but miss you on the road. Oh you know, hate it when I leave. You know I'll be on. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter.
Futures, this is ready entry, so I'm guessing probably gonna be around here somewhere. I'll just put it right here.
Don't you run away, just don't run away. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend.
Oh, damn. You were not lying about GJ just tanked. Holy shit. Taked everybody out and fucking dropped 500 pips, god damn it.
Really?
Yeah, my god. Japan must have clapped them all. I had to check. Normally when people say it's dumping or it's pumping, and I'll look at the chart and I'll be like, dude, it moved a couple pips. What are you talking about? But this guy's he's right. He's for real.
Tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend. They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend. Did it, do it. I did it all, no gimmicks. I did it all, no fibbing. Now I got all these.
Oh, hey, Pi.
Here's the secret weapon.
They tried to count me out. They tried to fill that doubt. They tried to ride my whip. They tried to knock me out. They tried to count my wins. They tried to show my L's. They tried to make me in. They tried, but where they now? Where they? Step in the spot and they stare at me. All of these battles will bear me. I swear that nothing compares to me. Feeling blessed. I won't stress.
Japan has new prime minister. Yeah. It's pretty funny when the yen tanked and crashed the fucking whole fucking stock market all around the world and shit. It was because that prime minister did the 0.5% increase of interest rates, and then they immediately voted him out of office.
Wow, that's crazy. That is crazy.
I'm assuming a lot of rich people, powerful people lost money because of him, so they probably like chop him off. You gone.
Japan has new prime minister, guys. Buy gold.
I'm in, man.
I mean, too.
Let's go. Let's fucking go, Pi.
Thank you, Jojo. No, Janice, I didn't enter. I was just kidding. Mr. Miyagi. I've not taken anything for 12.
Damn. Some people they can't understand the joke.
I guess they didn't get the joke. Good morning, Goza. I almost got stopped out from the freaking Asian session sale in Forex.
Yeah,
Almost.
it's close.
I didn't even realize that they already gave 30. I just happened to look at my phone. I'm like, oh wow.
I still can't believe it. Literally tapped the future stop loss to the decimal point.
Yeah. Pretty rate stopped me out before I was still in Alpha.
Oh.
But I've told myself I'm going to actually start using futures for the stop loss and entry instead of Forex. Or if I use Forex, I'll give futures an extra 5 pips.
Also, it's kind of weird where it decided to just full on reverse.
Yeah.
It's like the liquidity grabbed, but it went like pretty far past, you know?
Mm-hmm. Indeed.
Market makers hunting stop losses again. Is there even such a thing as market makers anymore? Because it's all algo driven now.
Man, I don't even know. But do I believe it is manipulated? Yes. Oh, you entered on futures, Ricky? Yeah. Yeah, we should have had like a 65 pips tick stop loss on futures. Then we would have been safe. Because even Forex almost got to this. Man, it pretty much got to the stop loss, but they didn't take us out, so that was good. I was gonna re-enter on futures right here, but then again, I'm like, nah. Come on, Abe. You don't trade like that, so don't start now. You lost on it. You lost. Trade the next session.
Yeah. Also, I didn't even see what it looked like until it hit, after it hit TP, but if I saw it like over here, I'd be like, nah, I don't want to re-enter that. Could be looking for a pop now.
I was gonna, I was thinking about re-entering because it was still the 15-minute supply.
Yeah. And actually, some people probably did enter that buy trade. Just looking at this candle, it broke above there, wicked up.
Mm-hmm.
Probably some people bought it and fucking nope.
Tanked. Oh, Raja is streaming. I think sometimes he streams London session now.
Someone needs to go ask Raja. Was he like profitable before he made his own broker as well? Or did it only occur after? Because I need to know.
I mean, I don't know.
After that, I forgot the guy's name, the YouTube video, that guy, the African guy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, after he like talked about how Raja was only made big success after the broker startup, it's like, oh, jeez. That doesn't sound good.
Can't forget about trust, but first, please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup.
Once you hear how the field is go time, guys.
I'm just looking for a good time.
Roger is starting a perfume soon. And I don't think he's starting a perfume.
So he's saying Raja's starting a prop firm soon and he cares. I'm assuming it means he carries on the cost, which is more expensive. Damn, I don't fully understand. Are you trying to say that Raja's like complaining that it costs a lot of money to start a prop firm?
No, it doesn't cost a lot of money to start a perfume.
No, but I'm saying if that is what he's saying.
Oh, 100K account is gonna be $700? What the hell? Is it instant funding? Well, if Raja starts a profile and if 100K is $700, shit, me and Pi, we're gonna do it for $1,400. Double the price. Yeah, Rick. Tuesday, we'll be in the fourth quarter. Wait for that. Wait for other field, guys. I think this entry on Forex is off a little bit.
Order filled.
There we go. Now you can get in. Now you can take the trade. Very good.
Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Baby, you're my biggest problem. Even when the Silverado not starting and it's early in the morning, baby, it's still better than you. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Again and again, yeah, again and again. Another boy, another night, another friend of a friend. Again and again, yeah, again and again. I can't even see the ball alone.
Alright, 20 pips done, guys. Congratulations if you got 20. Spam W's if you've got 20. Next top 40.
one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view. Yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm all in, been ballin'. Yeah, I'm all in, yeah, I'm all in, been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds, yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets on the first in and the last out, see me coming. First take, I'm hotter than hot, hotter than some boiling water, I bubble the pot. Team full of ballers, baby, we winning a lot. I'm like Curry with the rock when I get to my spot. I'm tapping in, I'm passionate, this is what passion is. This here, nah, this is no accident. From the start to the finish, I'm cashing in. I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view. Yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm all in, been ballin'. Yeah, I'm all in, yeah, I'm all in, been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds, yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets from the first in and the last out, see me coming. Been poppin', Sports Center from a little I was watching. Spin a bag like I'm Rafa.
Yeah, so Dwayne. One position has been taken out at 20. But I didn't move my stops to break even yet. And futures, I'm going for just 50%. Forex, I got 3 positions running. One at 20 pips, one at 40, and final at 80 pips. I'm not over risking or anything, still the same lot size, I just split it into 3. It's like, pretty much having 3 position and having multiple TPs. Instead of just having one. Once we get 40 pips, which is 50% of 1-to-1, I'll move my stops. Just a little bit below entry. I'll have just one position running at that point. You're welcome, Rudiger. Guys, can we get 150 likes? We only got 60 likes right now. You can't give 150, at least give 120. You guys should be trying to convince me to stay and trade with you guys on YouTube during London session by liking the stream, even though it might not work. But I just like the stream.
First in and the last out. Never tried to go the fast route. Marathon, not a race. Putting hours in, I cash out. Game time been lit. Been the man, been him. In the box like 9-9, got pinstripes on my skin, okay, go mamba all in my zone. When the wind going home, hear it all in my tone. Worked hard for this throne, you know I'm never lazy, nothing phase me. See me win, but those L's made me. Hear him talk, let him talk. All the ghosts have been
Gold really to come down to these lows.
lights on, I'm on. Lights on, I'm on. Love the pressure, I can't let up. Keep my head up, I can't let up. You know I can't stand still, sticking to the plan still. No bots on my fans real, stay true on the man still. Losses got you bent up, all that ain't go pent up. See you in my inbox.
How many people is on Zoom today? Oh, some people are missing. David is here. I haven't been seeing Mitch and then Lucian. I haven't seen Lucian in 3 days now.
Yeah.
Lights on, I'm on. Lights on.
Which low? This 15-minute major low. Pretty much where we pretty much took the buys from yesterday NY session.
Lights on, I'm on. Lights on, I'm on. Love the pressure, I can't let up. Keep my head up, I can't let up.
And if we do get there, we might hold this demand again, or we could break it today. If it breaks, if we close below this, pretty much this demand, 15-minute demand, New York session, I'm definitely looking for sales until we get a BOS to the upside, or if we come down lower to a major demand. You got a run or two out, or you out at 20?
I'm holding for 50%.
50?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you didn't take nothing out at 20?
No, not yet.
Oh, okay. Yeah, set TP 20, 40, and 80. The London session trades we took this week, they gave at least 50. Am I in buys? No, I'm in sales. I already got 20, but I didn't move my stops just yet. I need 50% until I move my stops. Gold is too volatile to move stops at 20 pips. especially today. This stop loss is 80 pips stop loss. You need $50 more for target. I think all this slip bull's gonna get spanked. I mean, if they take you from the low, the 15-minute demand, then they might be good. Because even here on the 15-minute, we're not really bearish yet until this 15-minute demand gets taken out. So right now, the sales right now is going off of the bearish momentum that we have on the lower time frame. Really go down to 40 pips. I mean, you can see I'm waiting for 40 pips. I don't know if it's gonna go there because I don't control this market. Am I expecting it to go there? Of course. That's why I'm still in. You re-entered sales. Okay. Why isn't that 20 pip line called pied? You go your 20 pips and deep, huh? I'll be right back, guys. Well, please check over for me. Thank you.
Yep. Yeah, gold. How high you want to retrace? Shit. The silence of the drawdown. I know, right, Gideon? God damn it. Abe went to the toilet and now it's like fucking pumping up. It's like, Abe, what are you doing?
I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I'm that cash money getter, big show stopper. 4 kids having no chain rocker. Make my business, work my business, count them digits, earn them winnings. I see you in my review and you been trying. Said you out here doing numbers, but you been lying. And you know my little baby been fine. In the crib, bet she do it for the 9-9. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I don't gotta say too much. My bros know the deal, they think I play too much. Never miss a miss, yeah, I've been scraping up. Life been moving faster, you should pray for us. Just got a text a wire hit. I don't need designer fits, but I like
Yeah, I saw 20 for like a second.
not a mannequin.
Um,
I'm standing in. Look at who I'm standing with. 'Cause I'ma be me.
Look at that. What's happened with the DAX?
Can't get in my way. You can't get in my way. I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. Yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot. Just me and the
Sideways.
ain't playing. I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop.
I had high hopes for this trade being a fast one. Now, man. Oh boy. This might be a while. Yeah, still holding. I'm kind of looking at it. I'm like, oh man, it's doing that channel. It's like that. It's like, oh god. It's like, are we gonna be here like for like a couple hours as it does this? Can't be greedy. Yeah, can't be greedy. Very similar to Asian session. It made like that one big fast move and then, man. Oh lordy. Yeah, it still looks good. No, not married. Unfortunately, the Asian session, it took all the patience and energy out of me, so I'm not tolerant of this occurring again during London session. So I'm just like, oh, not again. It hit a trend line. Yes, it did. It hit many trend lines. Many trend lines. If gold gets to 2661, we'll get another position and target 100. 2661. Okay, that's all the way down there. I have to re-break of these lows.
Alright. What's up, guys? I can talk now. I had a chat before in the chat room.
Yeah, what's up? Enjoy
Just nursing this trade,
enjoy.
man. I'm pissed. I should have been sleeping, man.
This is Asian Session, Part 2.
Yeah, it's exactly like that. And it took everything not to get out the trade, but I had such a good position. I was like, all right, you know what? Let me just hold it.
Ugh.
Thank God I did, because I would have been pissed if the price kept going in my direction.
After getting stopped.
Oh no, no, I got stopped. I just kept watching it because it looked like where that level was, where it looked like it was like going to be a liquidity grab. So I kind of just watched it, and then when it had that little bounce up there, I just took the 5 minute candle break down, got right back in at the top. So
Oh, okay. Nice.
yeah, plus I didn't take a full loss. I like once I saw it broke that one candle, I took like half my position off, and I was just nursing it, so it didn't hurt as bad. So that's why going back to full position, I'm actually in the green.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Oh, okay, you got stopped out on futures too?
Yeah, yep.
Yeah, me too. So the Asian session trade, I only made money on it on Forex.
Yeah, so but I was watching because I was always on my chart. I looked because you remember I was short, kind of like I was like short, like not fundamentally. Like I know the bulls are in it, but I knew like this was like the high. So I was looking at it and I was like, okay, yeah, shorts are probably going to be way more in order now. So that's why I didn't jump out of it. I just said, okay, you know what? Let me just get a better position because it looked like a squeeze, basically.
Mm-mm.
And it's crazy too because I saw the yen drop. Oh my god, I was so tempted. I said, you know what? Let me not. Let me leave this
Wait,
thing alone.
GJ dropped that much?
In one 340 pips in one go, boom, just like that.
GJ
And then it
did
kept
that?
going. Yeah, and then it kept going. Now it's like I think the last time I
Yeah, I
checked was
think it's
like
down
400
like 500.
on
Oh
pound yen. It was
my
about 460,
lord.
458, something like that.
What
From
Look at that one
the
candle.
196 to 191, 500 pips roughly.
what the hell?
And technically, right after that candle, you could have
But
just shorted,
but
but
wait a minute. It's not really. It's actually not a bad setup. But the thing is, if you're
you
looking
would have
for
had to.
buys, you're not really wrong because it broke this structure here at 193,489. Yeah, but then the fact that you had, did it get to this 4-hour resistance? There you go. A 4-hour resistance. Oh yeah, it's not a bad setup, man. If we're trading this, you guys know we will take the sell.
And you know what's crazy too?
And it's got gaps too. Shit. Oh yeah, we definitely would have taken the sell. Demand right here. Oh yeah. It's not a bad setup actually, but man, this drop is insane though.
Let me see if I can take a picture and send it.
This drop is insane. Huh? Almost 500 pips.
Yep.
Wow.
And right at the top, my pivot point basically caught the top of it. Let me see if you put a 40 pip, maybe stop loss. Let's say if you sold right at the top, at the aggressive take profit, and in one shot it went perfectly down to the bottom pivot, which is crazy. That's like when algos do that, it's like they're literally like perfect like that.
Man,
it's crazy.
GJ barely be having this type of volatility. 80 pips stop loss in GJ, man, you rarely see that happen. Wow.
What a drop.
If he was that fast, he might have got slipped on the TP nicely.
Yeah, that was a crazy drop.
I know some people lost their whole shirt.
Oh, shit.
Coming back for X. Oh no. I was just looking at it. I was curious to see the type of drop she had. With that type of drop, definitely has something to do with Japan.
Yeah, I think they said the guy won the election out of nowhere, something like that. It was like an election that just happened.
But if he won the election, he should go up though. Why did he drop?
Isn't that yen's strength is up. Yen is down, isn't it?
So GJ is falling. Okay. So yen is okay. So that means the yen went up.
Yeah. When yen went up.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's why GJ dropped.
Mm-hmm. I wonder if that's why. Well, I don't know. I don't know how to do all those repatriation flows and all that stuff. You know how that's.
You were gonna say you wonder if that's why gold is dropping.
Yeah, I was gonna wonder what was the correlation, because when that happened, gold shot up. And then it just started trickling. Now we've been doing this kind of like remember gold. I feel like gold was always gonna drop, but because of this whole news event, that's why it keeps spiking up a little bit, like little spikes up.
Yeah. It's actually long overdue.
So we've been in this 60 pip up down for like almost 60 pips each way.
Yeah. Come on, gold. We need more than 20, man.
I go for the gusto.
Yeah, at least give 40. You can do whatever you want after that.
Try to see what next month's gonna look like. Not next month, next quarter.
Yeah.
I feel like we could probably get like a big pullback and then shoot all the way to all-time highs again by the end of the year, unless something happens towards the end of the year after election and we just keep going down.
Yeah, well, like we should get to 3K this year.
Yeah, because even at the end of the year flows, everybody buys gold, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if anything, I think like we should get maybe October. One of these months we gotta have a nice little retrace, unless it just keeps trending and we just keep getting these like small bounces.
Yeah. Now November though, I don't know what gold is gonna do in November.
Yeah, that'll be wild. Yeah, we got 3 bullish weekly candles.
Mm-hmm.
Man, you need to change the music. Put on that song when Wake Me Up When September Ends.
I don't even know the title of that song. Man, this month we're back in the 70s. We are 71 right now. Who knows? It might finish with 75. That means...
Hey, weren't you talking about that movie Rebel Ridge earlier this week?
Yeah.
You seen it?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Yeah, I just saw it earlier today.
Yeah, it was good, but I don't like the way it ended.
Yeah, it was kind of like, that's it?
Yeah, exactly. I was like, what the hell? That's it? Like...
it's like, that's it? Like, oh, man. It was cool, though. It was a decent storyline. I liked it.
Yeah, it was cool.
Mm-hmm. It was messed up, too. I'm like, oh, man.
Yeah.
Damn.
Who knows? There might be some counties like that right now.
Mm-hmm.
It's usually like in those like small towns.
Mm-hmm. Like in Louisiana, because that seemed like a town like a because when he was saying parish, that sounded like it's like a Louisiana town or something like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And that movie might actually have been true live events.
It was based on real life events.
I said it might be.
Yeah, close to it. Because even how they did with the whole thing, how they were about the cop lights.
Yeah, yeah.
That was interesting. Yeah, I was like, oh, snap.
I didn't know that.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I was like, oh yeah, that's crazy. That almost reminds me of I don't know. You ever see True Detective?
I don't think so.
So True Detective, the first season was in like Louisiana. It wasn't like a town like this, but it was a town like this, meaning like kind of old, defunct or whatever. But it kind of like the still style, like old retrograde parish. You know what I mean? Like old school detectives doing stuff like that to solve the case.
Mm-hmm.
But it kind of reminded me, not necessarily the corruption, but when they were like talking about like the parish and how there's like just a small town, everybody knows everybody,
Yeah.
that type of thing. But now, if you ever get a chance, it's on HBO.
True Detective.
The first season was the best one. The one that's with it was Woody Harrelson and what's that guy's name? Matthew McConaughey. Killed it. Playing as detectives. Yeah.
I'm gonna check it out.
And it's crazy because you see that they have two different styles of. It's called True Detective, so basically it's kind of like showing the element of how these guys are like in their own, but how they solve a case. And they're both two different people, but it's crazy how like they solve this crazy ass case that's going on in Louisiana.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
The first scene in this movie, Rebel Ridge.
Say that again?
I said the first scene of that movie. I was like, "Come on, man! You lying now? You know you're lying because when he stopped him on the bike."
Oh yes. Mm-hmm.
I was like, "Man, this cop is just freaking lying."
And the thing about it is too, a lot of times if you don't know your right, remember he knew most of his rights, right?
But he didn't want to listen. He wasn't even listening.
No, but that's the thing. They just kept it kicking it like, oh nah, just because remember, you have no choice because once you agree, and then they took it in the office and he said, oh, on forfeiture, the only thing I wouldn't have said what he said. Oh, he's in there for a drug offense or whatever the case may be. I would have been like, I don't know. My mama told me to come get him. I don't know what's wrong. What he's in there for. You understand? Like he was a little too honest.
Yeah.
But I guess they had to do it for the storyline. Whatever. You know, but it's crazy
I like how when they found out that he was ex-Marine, they got scared. I like that part.
Oh yeah, like when the chick, she was like, he's MAP. Yeah. He was like, back away from him. And he kept walking up to him. He's like he was like, I got acronyms. And my last one, you make me run out of letters. I was like, oh shit. And I do like the part, not the part, but the point that he literally used all non-lethal the whole thing.
Yeah, that was dope.
Basically, because it didn't escalate the situation. Like, yo, technically, I ain't hurt none of y'all. You know.
Yeah. Even when they were shooting at him, it still used non-lethal.
Mm-hmm. The only thing I didn't like was when he was driving, they were shooting at him. I'm like, yo, this big ass dude in the car does not look normal. He looked like Donkey Kong. When you know how Donkey Kong is in a cart and he's all hunched over the small ass cart.
Yeah.
I was like, oh nah, he should have got hit in the shoulder or something. Nah, it did not look believable.
No, I think he did get hit. That was when he went
No,
to
no,
that.
no, he got hit. He got hit when the guy was right next to him. But remember when he was driving away, it didn't look right because he got such broad shoulders, and in that truck, he was hunched over. But it's like, bro, you're not dodging no bullets if they shoot through the windows.
Yeah.
So that part, I thought that was kind of funny. But overall, good movie though.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, messed up too. That like in the middle part, I didn't like that. But it's cool because I normally don't. I was like, I saw the reviews about it. I said, you know what? And then I had a decent day yesterday, so I said, you know what? I got time. Let me see what this is all about. And then I said, you know what? Let me just get this 30 minutes. Man, I stayed up, watched the whole thing.
Yeah. We need to close below this minor support. We do that, it's a wrap. This thing should continue down.
Yeah, that H4 rejection, you know what's crazy? I didn't say it before, but on futures, the H4, like on Forex, you've got the hourly rejection right there where that bounces, right? Where it bounced basically twice. And then now we kind of went lower, but then on futures, we bounced off now that level.
Mm-hmm. Honestly,
Which is crazy.
On the 4 hour though, on futures, I feel like we should get weak fills all the way down to like 26.70, 26.75, 26.73 on the 4 hour.
Let me see.
On futures.
Open this up. You said 26.75?
Yeah, 26.75.
Yeah.
7.73.
And you know, I have a yeah, that's definitely the level we're gonna hit today because we broke all the. Yeah, and we'll still be bullish from there too. That's a bounce point right there.
Yeah, we'll still be bullish.
Mm-hmm. You put a what EMA I have a 21 EMA. Literally, it'll bounce perfectly right there. Normally, when you're in a strong trend, it bounces off of that, especially the first time.
Yeah, that's why right now every sales is just short-term sales.
Correct. Yep. I agree. You know what I wanted to ask you too, because I did notice something too, right? Last week, did you have an idea of why we were having like a little losing streak?
It's just the market doing its
Say
thing.
again?
So it's just the market doing its thing.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Last week was like that, and then this week is better, obviously. So
Yeah.
you know,
Even with the market almost at even like I noticed this week, even where it was like points where you knew there might have been a top, you still was able to get those levels to go, you know what I mean, in that direction to put you in that level, you know?
Yeah. As trading, some weeks will be better, some weeks will be bad, and some months the same. You can have a break-even month, losing month, good month.
Mm-hmm. Do you think is there any month where it's better or worse in terms of trending or ranging, or maybe it's when you're at the end of a trend? Do you ever try to. Do you ever notice differences in terms of where you are in terms of where you're in the market cycle?
I wouldn't say, because it changes. For example, last year August was bad for us. Those are the people that were here last year. But this month we had this August this year we had a good August. So it's different. You never really know. So if you're going based off of, what happened last year, that's different. You're in a different year now. The same thing might not happen this year, or whatever happened last year on the given month doesn't mean when you get to that same month this year you're gonna have the same experiences you had last month, because the market changes every month. Market conditions.
Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, I figure. Yeah, I understand that because remember, every day there's no how they say there's no days the same in the market, right? But I
Yeah.
figure, the sentiment is always going to be one or the other. It's either trending, ranging, or undecided, right? All over choppy, all over the place.
Yeah.
So I guess that's why I was asking,
That's why I don't, and this is just me. That's why I don't understand when I hear some traders say, "Oh, I don't trade on Wednesdays, I don't trade on Fridays, or I don't trade on Mondays because the market does this, does that." Well, that's fine, but that doesn't mean every Monday is like that, or every Wednesday is like that, or every Friday is like that.
yeah. A lot of times that sometimes it's like a self-fulfilling prophecy that you impose on yourself too. So if
Yep.
you say, "Oh, if you notice on Fridays are my worst days," you might forever just bake that into your trading system where on Fridays you might just, if you do a trade, you probably make the worst analysis or overthink it, as opposed to just doing what you got to do.
Yes, because subconsciously you already have to have that in your mind.
Mm-hmm. Oh, come on, man. I just need one more. Fish down. I gotta go to sleep.
Yeah, man.
I know, right? I wake up and shit goes right into me. No, I'm at least stop to break even.
Our entry candle though, I didn't see Go doing this.
Say that again.
I didn't see Go doing this. Especially the way this candle closed, our entry candle.
Mm-hmm.
I was expecting it to come straight down.
Yeah, especially after that first bounce that we got. Well, I was in there from the top where we got stopped out.
Now I'm talking about this London session trade.
Yeah. No. That's what I'm saying. Like after that first bounce that happened, during Asia, I would
Oh, right.
expected that
Oh,
we would.
this right here?
Yeah,
After
yeah,
this
because
one?
I was
Oh,
in there.
okay.
I was in there for that. So I thought that we were just gonna come straight down after that bounce. I didn't think that we'd have another retrace just like that back into this little diagonal downtrend.
Oh, so you've been in this sale since pre-London.
As soon as we got stopped out, I looked at the I had a similar demand, I mean supply zone up there, and I was like, nah, it looks like it's about to tap it. And then I just was looking at it, and then on the 5 minute chart, there was some liquidity grab, so it looked like a squeeze. So I just looked at the 5 minute, boom, boom, boom. When it made a little bit of structure, I just sold it right back after the change of character.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I've been in since then. Problem is, I was looking on the futures chart. So my target was, I can't remember where you had your target, but my target was the H4 support. and it bounced 10 pips away at the hourly Forex support.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I was like, fuck. And I thought, okay, you know what? Maybe I get a low, a higher low, right?
Yeah.
Never got it. And then by then it was already 50 pips. I was like, nah, fuck that. So, and I didn't even take a little bit of profit. I was like, all right, no, I should be good. I was trying to do my one trade and be done for the day, but I was gonna ask you, did you do I don't know if you answered or not. Did you open that account with fast track trading?
No, not yet. I'm doing it on Monday to start trading it on Tuesday.
Oh, okay.
I just wanted to, wait for the beginning of a new month.
Oh, okay, to start a new, okay. Yeah, I think we're gonna get a big pop, man. Was it?
Wait, pop? I hope it's
Huh?
to the downside.
Say that again?
I said I hope the pop is to the downside.
Oh yeah, no, say to the yeah, because I'm looking at what the 275 was about another 60 pips, basically.
Mm. I'm really not bothered about this trade. The only reason why I'm a little bit bothered is because of what happened during the agent session. It just did something else I wasn't expecting. But aside from that, I'm not worried at all.
Let me see. Is the yen still selling off?
I'm expecting this week to be filled.
The yen is slowly starting to back off a little bit.
I mean, eventually, GJ should give a pullback.
Because I think. That'd be interesting to look at because I know yen is a risk off asset, a risk averse asset, isn't it?
Man, that pair is too manipulated.
Yeah, because notice ever since that the yen started to slow down, is now gold is moving a little bit. See how gold is moving the way it was moving in Asia, pre-Asia, before that whole ruckus happened?
Mm-hmm. GJ is a very crazy pair. Once Bank of Japan say something or does something, GJ just goes crazy.
I think they said that. Hold on, let me look it up. They said it was an intervention actually. Well, with the hold on.
Postina FX in Lorenzo's Discord, nice. Supply and demand strategy with 250 moving average is the best strategy in the world. Well,
oh nah. Yeah, it was ex-defense minister Ishiba to become Japan's new leader.
mm.
Come on, man.
Where's your TP at on futures?
What'd you say?
Where's your TP at on futures?
No, you know what's crazy? I'm about to pass my top step combine, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I only needed $50. So we were at the
Oh.
bottom. I was at what? I made basically I need 50 more dollars. It was like about 56, 75 more dollars. So I said, all right, you know what? Let me just open a little lot. It immediately retraced up. So I just been holding just to close out.
Damn.
Because I just want to close out this damn fucking combine, bro.
Yeah.
So my TP is basically once we get back to the bottom, I just need to go like maybe what 5 pips.
Oh.
Yeah.
Only friendly me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name that I put them on. I put myself on stage as they sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong. On track, now we gon' way up. W use as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. On track, now we gon' way up.
Yeah, because they have the what do you call it? The that rule. If you make too much, you gotta trade another day. I'm like, bro.
Yeah,
I don't want money.
50%
Consistency rule.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Came for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, and play pretend. Aim out the pins, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, and play pretend. Came out the pins, I get it in, I get it in.
Let's see. Got news though in NY today.
Shine like a sun of 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that.
Okay. The price index. At least it's just one news.
FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process and my only know it takes time. You can get it, got no worries, I'm gonna make mine. Going global, I'ma get it out the state lines. Paying taxes at a more than what you make now. Different bracket, eating off a different plate now. For my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, and play pretend. Aim out the pins, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. For my wins.
That's nasty price action right there too. Gold right in the middle.
Yeah. When podcast? What podcast? I don't have a podcast. Royal Podcast. I don't know what that is. Oh, you want to see me on a podcast somewhere? Well, I don't know. All these Forex podcast channel, they only going for the big names. What time am I using for gold? We're on the 15 minute.
There for my first cake, then we hit 100K. $500,000 on the way, then $1 million on the way. Eating good, full plates, eating good, say grace. Eat her up, get thanks. She got cake birthday. I can't waste no way, I can't waste no play. My girl, whoa, whoa, sounding like the baddest chick. My girl, whoa, whoa, came from the rags to rich. Hit the road running, I had to tell her I had to get it. She understood, but she spoiled, so when she get mad, she dip. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spinning, I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. All mine, all mine. That's me. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spinning, I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now
The Trading Nut podcast. Man, if he contacts me, I'll do it.
I'ma spend it on her, cause she all
I have no issue with that.
VVS is on her neck. Make it spinning, I don't stress. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend.
CPI at 12:30. We don't have CPI today. CPI on a Friday.
Making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep winning, you're sick. Keep making that money flip. Way up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. That went way up. Bend that mouse to feed. I pray that check flow stay up. All of my bros, they been my bros. I'm talking day one. Been that boys.
Oh, you meant PCI. Yeah. Now the word of wisdom. Whenever that happens, I'm going to take one person with me. I'm going to take WoW with me.
Uh-oh.
I'm going to take WoW with me.
Me and my bros do road, no keys, no deal. We been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros just got on God. I swear we been at next. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep winning, you're sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep winning, you're sick. Keep making that money flip.
Can imagine King's podcast with Wicks, both smoking hard. Man, all you gonna see? I don't know if he smokes like me, but all you gonna see is smokes everywhere. When is the free NY session? We start streaming NY on YouTube starting from Tuesday. So there will be no more London session on YouTube. The private Discord still get Asian, London, and New York.
head of the house like the head of state. Bring home the cash in the dinner plate. I go, I zoom, accelerate. I cannot be bought at some bargain rate. I got on my bacon, my body weight. I stay in the crib like a quarantine. I stay in the crib and I isolate. Making my way, watching demonstrate. I ain't no special, my tidal wave. I came to win, I ain't come to play. At my own pace and I'm never late. See the strap thing is still new to me. My only do this for like
I feel like God is just gonna trickle down slowly, and then all of a sudden you just get that crazy bearish candle. Just gonna do this, and then bam. We just need to break these freaking laws. Look at what I posted in Discord. That is so freaking funny. Where is it at? Starting Forex trading as a career to be financially stable, but now you're mentally unstable. I would have been out of this a long time ago. Shit, he's already out. He's gone. He got his 20 and dipped. Looking for potential buys, but not yet. Are we in a trade? Yes, we are.
Pull up at the spot,
She look like a bad when she walk, girl. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. She get to the cash when she walk.
I gotta go use the restroom again, guys. We're drinking a lot of water. No more sell good rejecting 26, 62, and 61. Alright, we'll see.
Yeah. Hello, next week. The crowd that specialise in beamers. Yeah. They said that it sounds like a tricky one, but they can't book me until the 21st. So I don't know what to do. That's monthly. Some balls. Sounds like a tricky one. Rob says like they're a lot better than other guys just for being out and stuff. What do you do, Chris?
This is depressing. This is depressing.
Say what I'm saying, yeah, you're a paradigm. Yankee on my head, I guess that I think that I'm Derek Khan. Love when the celly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no shit.
Oh my god. Just move, gold. Just move. Did I close? No.
for the green like a reef. Don't trip, don't reach. Get rich, don't speak. Yeah. Love when the celly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheep. I get to it up in my sleep. Switch that V6 for the EV. Ride around my city. You should come right with me, yeah. Feel me if you hear me sip. Water like a fish sip. I water to the gillies, yeah. This a new wave, this a takeover. Do it for the future, time to get a world of makeover. Time never stops, no the timing is not. Time to clean up the block. Streets been a mess. How can I breathe? Smoke in the air, pure gasoline. I see the news.
Long-term investing, man. This is long-term investing right here. We're gonna be here a long time. I'ma get my all till I'm dying. I'm the new Captain Planet. Here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. I'm the new Captain Planet. Here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow. 50 EMA acting as support. I'll tell you one thing, that's some nonsense right there. Because if I go to the 1 minute chart and I put a 50 EMA, it's gonna be in a different spot if I switch it to 5 minute, to 10, 15, 30.
Which email are you looking at?
I'm not looking at any EMA, but I'm just saying, someone on YouTube said the 50 EMA is acting as support, and
the 55 on the hourly?
no, I'm just saying it's not a thing, because the EMA will change position based on what EMA type that the time frame of the EMA that you're on. If you're on 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, and you're using the exact same 20 EMA, it'll be in a different spot every time.
Yeah,
you could use 21 EMA, 25 EMA, 30, whatever. It'll just keep moving.
It definitely depends on what you're using it for. Like if you're, it's lagging, right? So like, I know newbies, like they typically jump in and think, it's a holy grail, but it's really for like trying to like spot a trend or a continuation or bounce.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly. Yeah,
EMA is a trend indicator.
Mm-hmm. So like
it's not like support and resistance.
Yeah, it's only an indication. Yeah. For example, I was talking to Abe earlier, like right that level, that 2678 level. I do have an EMA there, but it's like the last thing. I'm not using that as it's not my primary thing. I just know that price might go there if let's say if it drops like crazy. I know that price could get brought back up to hold that if we're still bullish, because Usually price bounces off these little certain indicators, certain not certain indicators, certain moving averages, just to show you that the trend is going to continue, or you're going to get a double top or double bottom, something like that. For example, like the 55 on the hourly, that basically was showing like we're going to get like a lower higher double top. That's why I was looking for shorts. I think it was in the middle of the week. Yeah, I mean, I'm middle of the week, like 2 days ago. And we bounce off of it.
Stop bashing other people's strategy. I'm sorry I hurt your feelings.
Wait, what happened?
Someone on YouTube, their feelings got hurt.
Nah. You're watching a different stream?
No. This is Abe's chat, YouTube chat.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, there's so many different ways. Like, really, just like how Abe was saying it, as long as you're consistent, there's so many different tricks to this stuff, you know?
Yeah, you can trade all sorts of ways and make money.
Mm-hmm.
Your feelings didn't get hurt. You're just really negative all the time. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry the truth hurts your feelings. God. I'm just saying, EMA is a trend indicator. It's not a support and resistance thing.
Yeah, that's a fact. It's a lagging indicator. First of all, it's based off of price anyway, so why wouldn't you just go to the root of the cause?
Yeah.
You know, so
Like,
but some people do use it, like, let's say, for example, like, I think the VWAP is a kind of a moving average, isn't it? I see that a lot when the futures guys use that. Some people use Bollinger Bands, all the same shit.
yep.
Okay, there we go. You see.
Oh, it's moving.
I need $2 more.
Get those $2. Fucking get them.
Yes.
Good job. Good job.
All right. Let me see my follower count. Yep. I hit target. Perfect. Thank God.
Yeah, we're moving finally. Thank God.
Oh, man, hopefully it doesn't stop again.
Looking at that price right there, 26.52.
Come on, man. You're almost at 40, man. I'm looking at this on futures right now. It's like 8-10 pips away.
We should get that momentum now. Finally, like all that damn choppy business to just drop now.
Oh God, here we go with YouTube. Listen, YouTube, I'm not negative. I'm just dead set truthful. I'm not gonna coddle your feelings. I've said this before. The people who don't like me are the people who are very sensitive. It's like, you said something not positive. Oh, you hurt my feelings. You're an asshole. It's like, I'm not here to coddle your feelings.
But
It's like, if you don't like me saying that the EMA is a trend indicator, then that's bad luck for you. Go Google it. Google it. Tell me that says it's a support and resistance indicator. It's like, man, these people.
well, you're not lying. It is a trend indicator, even though it lags. But you're only supposed to use it as a trend following tool.
Exactly. Yep.
Oh, Abe, you're so negative. Oh, man.
Oh man. Thank goodness we don't have an HR department.
It doesn't even matter what EMA you're using. If it's 50, 20, 25, 100, 200, it does not even matter. It doesn't matter the time frame. But the time frames also matter at the end of the day as well to increase your win rate. If price is above, man, look for buys. If it's below, look for sales. If it bounces off of it, if it's above it, comes back down, bounces off of it, you might get a buy setup. If it's below it, pulls back, bounces off of it, you might get a sell. Doesn't mean you have to get in right away. That's why I always preach. If you're using moving averages, you have to understand price action as well. Then, so you can combine the two.
You heard.
Come on, man. Are you freaking kidding me?
Telling you, man. That level right there, boy. They're not giving it up at all. And every time I should just take profit. I'm on a different account.
You didn't close out?
No. It's a different account. Different account. I already hit my combine. Yeah, I'm done on that one.
Okay.
So this one, yeah.
Man, I should have stayed in the restroom. Oh, man.
This is some bullshit.
Oh my God, it's going straight back up.
You have to wait another 60 pips. I don't think I can do it, no, bro. No. You should get that pop soon. Like, where's the pop? That's how I know it's done. When you get that little pop. I just hope it's not the other way or the wrong way. Don't worry, Edwin, I got you. To the downside. Damn, how many people have been buying right there?
It needs to be coming to 26.54 or to this demand at least on the 15-minute
You got a lot more
time frame.
sellers at this time. Come on. Come on, baby.
Just give us 40 pips. You can do whatever you want after that. Just give us 40 at this point.
Soon. Give us 40 soon.
Yes, like right now.
Friday, we don't want to be here. No, no.
Come on, gold, spike down.
Seriously.
Your TP is 26.26. Damn, all the way down.
Damn. Who said that?
Rodrigo.
Good thing is the buyers are right now, they're fueling this downtrend right now.
They're trying to buy off of the 1 hour and 4 hour support.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but they're gonna get. I'm just thinking about what I normally used to do at this time. So normally price popped against me. So they should liquidate all of them out before we go back up the other way.
Exactly, and then it should at least do it around this demand here, this 15-minute demand. Because if that 15-minute demand is broken, the 15-minute is officially bearish. Higher time frame will still be bullish.
Goldie. Just do it.
Come on, man. We don't have, man, now we have to wait for another 15-minute candle.
Oh, man. Brutal.
Yeah, making us work for it, man.
Come on, God. It's just 40 pips, man. It's not 500 pips.
Gold, come on. Why are you doing this, man? It's just dancing around here.
Ah, man, it closed. Come on, just calm down, man. No more bullish candles. No more bullish candles at this point. Come on down. Oh, man, my southern accent is not deep enough.
Sound like Kamala for a second with the big accent. Come on down. Come on down to the turkey hut.
Alabama accent is so, and the word I want to use is not appropriate, but it's just so good to me. I love that accent.
Man, I get the feeling the moment we get out, it's gonna fucking drop 100 pips.
Oh, both gonna do that whenever you're not in the market. That's just how
Yeah.
it works.
Yeah, if it gives 40, I'll be out on futures. And then Forex, I'll have one more position running.
We know the pop is coming. Just drop. Don't be a bitch.
Oh, not the pop.
You need to drop. Oh, 'cause
Yeah.
you think every time I say pop, you think it's gonna go up, right? It's gonna
Yeah.
pop up.
Yep,
Oh,
yep.
okay. No.
Needs the tank.
I'm an equal opportunity popper. Go up or down, it don't matter.
Mhm.
I want it to melt.
Damn, it's so close.
You know what? I think I'm just gonna take off.
Yeah, close some of your position. Right now. Right now. Come on. Do
Close
it.
it.
Quick.
Close it. Quick.
Do
So
it,
that we
man.
can get our TP.
Could you imagine somebody just fucking have a heart attack right when they're supposed to close their position? Get out the hospital, count blown.
Come on, Goldie.
You gotta be joking me.
No, I'm not gonna take a runner on this. It's against the counter trend. Doesn't make sense.
What exactly is holding you up, Gold?
Because somebody needs to get out.
Yeah. There's someone in here. They want them to get out. I'm not
No,
moving.
it's the buyers who's fueling this thing right now. They just keep buying it. That's why it's been grinding.
Edwin, get out. So go can drop.
Come on, just do it, man.
There we go.
Hey, I'm out. I got it.
There we go. On the field. Whew, finally. Finally.
Thank the heavens.
YouTube, because we were in this trade for so long, smash www. That's what we need.
W's in the chat.
So we can get 1-to-1. Now you can move your stops to entry. Let's see if we can get this 1-to-1. But I'm gonna move my stops just a little bit above, below entry. I'm gonna move it to the body of this
You
candle.
should get that momentum now. And then we broke down there.
So this is where my new stop loss will be, below entry, but the body of this previous 15-minute candle.
Come on, put some likes in the chat, guys. Oh yeah, I think I'm good right here. Before they go, oh, your consistency target too much. Make more money. Shut up.
That's a stupid rule.
Yeah, it is. I get it, but it's like, damn, you don't want me to have a killer day? Could you imagine?
It's like you get punished for doing too good.
Exactly. Where's my trade? And I won't even close it down.
in my sunshine. I go dun dun, you don't see that. Put it now like the rest. I'm not saying I'm the best, but I know I never fold when it slows down. Had to get it on my chest, I don't hit the disrespect. Do it for the one who knows how it goes down. We on the way, we came to play. Yeah, yeah, we came to play, we on the way. You know, yeah, we on the way, we came to play. Alright now, we came to play, we on the way. Like right now.
This is that 25 and 30 pick.
Oh, dang it.
Please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup. Find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 oh. And I'm singing like, whoa, oh.
Gonna lie, I kind of expected it to really start tanking, but
Me too.
no, still doing the same thing.
Me too. That's why I left the last position I have running.
It's a very small world, so my hand holds. Wake up, make the money, that's a man's role. Loyalty and love is what I stand for. Can't forget about trust, but first, please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup. Find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 oh. And I'm singing like,
Take care, Yaslin.
it's the weekend, we've been working. I'll be posted fireside. Bring my boys in, bring your girls in. We'll be posted up all night. Yeah, limited edition, not the regular one. We shut down the city like when presidents come. I am not a rookie, I'm a veteran, bruh. Promise I'ma take it easy later on. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup. Find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 oh. And I'm singing like, whoa, oh, SOS, oh. Please fill my cup.
Oh, you're welcome, Joe. Should look at the 1 hour. One hour looks good. Can we get more likes, guys?
Oh my goodness.
Focused on me and you. I know when the love is real, but also when the love is gone. Hit me out on how you feel. Tell me now what's going on.
Man, from the bottom to the top of this candle where it just spiked up is 30 pips.
What bottom?
Man, it took like how many hours to get 40 and it took like 5 minutes to get 30 on the to the upside.
Oh, you mean from this bottom to the top
Yeah,
of this
yeah,
candle? Oh,
yeah.
wow. On futures or Forex?
On futures. I think on Forex it's a bit less. Yeah, 25. Yeah, you should definitely move your stop loss to break even. You don't want that thing to come back on you anymore.
Yeah, you already got 50% of the 1-to-1. Everyone's stop loss should be at least break even now. That's why the break-even point that I have on TradingView is not at 20, it's at 40. Oh, someone is still going on about the EMA question stuff. Well, thank you, Vivian. You too, Yaslin. When am I starting NY stream? On Tuesday next week, October 1st, Nigerian Independence Day.
Was that meant to be a joke? Or is that a real thing?
It is real. That's Nigerian Independence Day.
Okay.
You took 50% of your position and can do what the hell it likes now. It's your payday with FTMO. You're not risking denting your pay packet for a couple of hundreds. Facts. You guys,
Don't be so negative.
You guys remember when I spoke about this asset protection company, Darwin X? If I tell you, I've reached the level to get some type of funding 2 weeks ago, and I've been using one lot since then. I've been using one lot since 2 weeks now because you can't. I don't want to mess it up because they give it's a monthly thing. What the hell? What's this? Okay, so in order to get funded, you need to have at least 75. That's what you need to have. So right now, I'm called by the end of this month, come October 1st, I'm qualified to get 30K.
Nice, nice.
I've been using one lot since 2 weeks ago. Because man, I'm like, I ain't messing this up. I actually want to show. Yeah, see right there, expected position current month, 30,000. That's what they're gonna give me. And then to participate in gold, I need to have 20%. So once I get this 30K, that will be what I'll be working on.
What is that? Like, what is 20%? 20% of what?
Once you get to participate in gold, once you get to the gold level, it's 6 figures and above in funding.
Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. Okay.
Yeah. Silver is less than 6 figures. I'm trading gold and silver. That's funny.
I don't know. This is the strangest lead off I've seen.
Ridiculous.
Man, it's really gonna
so
go back.
If Asia and London looks like this, I don't even know what NY is gonna look like today.
You better prepare.
Because even since Asian session, it was just a struggle to come to the downside.
And I think New York's gonna be fireworks for that first 3 hours,
Yeah,
and then it's gonna be dud because everybody's gonna make their money go to sleep for the month quarter end.
I hope so. Now Monday might be tricky because it's the end of the month on Monday.
We'll just flip a coin.
Losses got you bent up, all that anger pent up. See you in my inbox, but everybody can't come. I worked hard for this, putting hours, got scars from this. No sleep, I just toss and turn, thinking about how hard it get. I've been chilling with my family now, you've been chilling with a party, yes. Putting reps cause they called my bluff, got one shot to get all these dubs. And we on. Lights on, I'm on.
Lights on, I'm on. Love the pressure, I can't let up. Keep my head up, I can't let up. Lights on, I'm on.
Okay, I'm closing my final position. I'm out. I'm out on my final position. Yeah, this is ridiculous.
All right, you pulled my leg, Abe.
Yeah, it broke the previous candle. So that's it. All right, YouTube, I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend. God bless you all. All my links is in the description. All right, guys, have a good weekend. See you guys on Monday. I'm out of here. All right, Zoom. I'm going to see you guys though in New York.
All right, man.
Thanks, Abe.
Thanks.
All right, guys. See you guys later.
Thanks, babe. See you later.
I got an itch in my palm. My girl, she know she the one. I put the ice on her hand. I put some ice on her arm. See me shining in the light. Know you found me in the dark. Talking how you wanna leave. Girl, you made it this far. Taking trips overseas. No, I won't be long. We came up from the weeds. Now it's top floor. All these big gets on her wrist. VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back end. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. There for my first cake, then we hit 100K. $500,000 on the way, then $1 million on the way. Eating good full plates, eating good, say grace. Eat her up, get thanks. She got cake birthday. I can't waste no way, I can't waste no play. My girl, whoa, whoa, something like the baddest chick. My girl, whoa, whoa, came up from the rags to rich. Hit the road running, I had to tell her I had to get it. She understood, but she spoiled, so when she get mad, she dip. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back end. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back end. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend.